In this video, we are updating the DynaPro firmware, and we're also loading the EMV tags. So we're going to go to magtech.com/support/dynapro/firmware and scroll down to the first step and click on the link for the DynaPro update package. Then you can go to your downloads folder and double-click on the DynaPro update file. Click Run, and it may be set to a temp folder somewhere on your hard drive, so just to make things easier, we can click Browse and select a folder that's a little easier to find. We'll go with the Downloads folder to keep everything together in one place. Click OK, then click Unzip. It'll give a success message, then you can close out those windows. And then we'll open up the folder that we just unzipped right here called DynaPro Update. And you want to start with the firmware folder. So open that up and then open the file called firmwareupdate.exe. Click Install, and you should see this wizard open up. So from here we can just follow the instructions in the wizard. The first one is to connect the DynaPro to a USB port. Make sure the cable's not loose. And then on the wizard we'll click Next. Then click Start. A window will pop up asking you to open a script file, so we'll navigate back to the Downloads folder, go to the Firmware folder, and select the only option, which is this little script file here. Click Open and you'll see the DynaPro turn on with a welcome screen loaded. And just give the program a few minutes to install the new firmware. It may hang here at the end, so just be patient and let it do its thing. Once it says success, then you can click Exit, and we're going to leave the device plugged in for the next step, which is the EMV tags. And for this part, we're essentially doing the exact same thing, only this time we're opening the other folder called EMV tags. And we're going to start with a file called EMV tags configuration. So open that up and click Install. And since we already have the pin pad connected, we can just click Next in the wizard and then click Start. And once again, it's asking for a script file, so we're going to go to our Downloads folder and this time select EMV tags and then Open. And at this point, we have two options depending on the DynaPro configuration that we're using. So for example, using this DynaPro will require a pin. So I'm going to select EMV tags with pin.xml. Then wait a few minutes for the installation to complete. And you do need to be patient here. Even if it seems like nothing's happening, just wait until you get the success message and then you can click Exit. And you're all done. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can send an email to support@magtech.com, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.